In this video, I'll show you how to automate monthly recurring tasks in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want recurring tasks to be created. Click the Automate button at the top of the board and go to the Create tab. Select Create from Scratch. Inside the Automation Builder, you'll create both a trigger and an action. For the trigger, select every time period. This allows Monday.com to run an automation on a schedule. Next, configure the frequency to monthly. You can choose whether the automation runs on a specific day of the month, such as the first day, the last day, or a custom date depending on your workflow. After setting the schedule, move to the Action section. In the Action dropdown, select Create Item. Now enter the name of the task that should be generated automatically. For example, monthly financial report, client billing review, team performance review, or social media planning. You can also configure additional fields such as task owner, priority status, and due date. Review the automation settings carefully before saving. Then click Create Automation. Once activated, Monday.com will automatically create the task every month according to the schedule you configured. And that's how to automate monthly recurring tasks in Monday.com.